Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here with a short, quick video regarding my Pixels. I was asked this question about Pixel devices while living overseas. For those of you who are not aware, I live in Medellin, Colombia, and I do have the Pixel 6 Pro that you can see here, as well as the Pixel 5a 5G. I would say if you plan on living overseas and you have a Pixel device, okay, if you're not using like the safety features, because all of the phone features work, cameras are great, of course, and the service will work. I can actually take the SIM out of this, put the local Claro SIM in this, and it works just fine. But if you're someone who wants the crash detection, the safety features if you fall, things like that, the emergency services, they will not work here. If you have the Pixel 4 XL and you're used to using solely, it will not work here. If you have the Nest Hub or the Nest Max, you want to use Sleep Sense, it will not work here, okay? That's why Pixel devices are not sold everywhere in all these different countries, because some of the services that we are accustomed to in the United States of America, they're not allowed in some of these countries. Okay, so know that going in. So if you plan on picking one of these up, or you have one of these and you're gonna move to another country, or you're gonna stay an extended amount of time in another country, just know this is not gonna work the same way it worked in the States. The Wi-Fi and the phone calls will be fine. The photos and everything will be fine. But if you're looking for those additional features that Google offer when it comes to safety, when it comes to even some things with phone calls, you're gonna be very limited on what you can do. So just be aware of that. For the person that asked me, what are some good devices I don't have to worry about if the Pixel is not an option, you know, your iPhones, your Samsungs, they work pretty much anywhere around the world. For you guys who are more on a budget and you're not trying to buy, or you just don't like Samsung or Apple's too much for you, you know, Motorola is another good one, as well as some of the other Chinese brands like Vivo, Xiaomi, Oppo. You know, you have tons of them out there. There's companies springing up every day with devices. So, you know, you might be better off waiting if you're going to move to another country and buy one of the local cell phones, you know, that's in your budget. But I just wanted to be sure I come on and answer this question regarding Pixels and living overseas with a Pixel. You can do it, because I'm doing it right now. This is my secondary device that I carry with my iPhone. But you just got to know that some of the features that will work in the States will not work here with the Pixel, all right? Hopefully this information was helpful to someone out there who was curious about why they're probably not sold in other countries. That is why, because countries will limit the use of some of the Google services that are easily allowed in the United States of America. Okay, guys?
What you want is for sure. Ain't no woman like the one I got. You know, if I had them packs on me, she'd spin that block. If I pass her the blick, she'd take that shot. But it said she prayed for me when the things got hot. They was saying they was fours, but they ain't gon' rock. No way. Ain't no falling out of love, cause this thing don't stop. No way. Ain't nothing that you want that I ain't gon' cop. That's facts. Had to put the cuffs on you, but I ain't no cop. Yeah, cop an attitude when I be bugging you. Yeah, that's okay, cause on your bugaboo. Hey, strong bond, cause what we been through. Look, two-seater, it's just me and you.
You're so on fire. Shawty, won't you come my way? Let's get higher. You can cancel all your plans. You're my diamond girl. You're the one that I quit the game for. You're so fancy, girl. I can give you everything that you want, that's for sure. All I really need is a diamond, cause all I really got is a diamond. All I really need is a diamond, cause all